Let's practice callbacks with an exercise. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. Let's define the process string function first. So function process string with a callback as parameter, and then const string will be a result of a prompt. Please enter string to process, and then const result will be a result of a callback function called with an argument string. And then let's alert this result to the user. And now let's create the callback functions. Function to uppercase with a parameter string will return string to uppercase. And function reverse string will return string split and then reverse and then join again. So we use split to create an array from string letters, then reverse to reverse their order, and then join them again to get a string. And then finally, let's test the processing string function. So process string with an argument to uppercase as callback, and process string with reversed string as callback. In our HTML file, let's switch the source of the script to the script with our exercise. And then when we open the page with the live server, we get a prompt asking for a string. So let's give it a string hello, and we get hello in the uppercase. And then we get the prompt again because we called process string 2 times. So let's give it world, and as a result we get world reversed.